Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. And I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
On my way home from Suchi's place. He's a childhood friend of mine. He actually passed away a couple of years ago. But then his mom, she wanted to gift our products to everyone in their society, whoever came to her house to visit after Varalakshmi Vratam. That's a South Indian puja, I guess, which they do once a year, I guess, or something, I don't know. So she wanted that. I went up, we spoke for like 2 hours. Fucking awesome. I absolutely love them because they know me since childhood, so they know me personally, so we have a lot to talk about. And auntie, in fact, she gave me shitload of she gave me a lot of new ideas of how I can promote my own business. And you know, she started off initially, initially she started off with five of pocket garden kits, and then later she's like, Suraj, I need 10, and then she asked her friends, and then next thing is she wanted 35, and even now she's like, I'm going to pass it around. She absolutely loved it. I like them. They're peaceful people, they understand me. So it was nice meeting them. I feel absolutely amazing after meeting her. Fucking excited and happy for no reason. And apart from that, makemegarden.com/beachbappa. Our Beach Papa is online, officially launched through Make Me Garden on its social media and also website. So now you can order Beach Papa idols directly from our website. So all you'll have to do is makemegarden.com/beachpapa.com beachpapa.com/beachpapa, something like that. So you can go and order your Beach Papa from there. So we have that thing up and running, and I'm looking forward to shoot a product video of Beach Papa. So anyone who can hook me up with somebody or some company who shoots videos like this, hit me up, because I'm looking forward for people who can shoot a product video, more specifically for Beach Papa. So hit up your friends and tell them that I'm telling you once again, because this is something which I'll be working on immediately right now. So whoever helps me out the quickest I'll make the deal with them, because it's important and we'll have to run the ads and shit on this. So I need help with making product video specifically about Beach Papa. So if you know anyone, hit me up. Apart from this, what else have I gone? Podcast, I'm fucking delaying it. I know, I should fucking start it. I'm calling myself out because nobody is at fault here, it's just me. Most probably because of the timings, I should become more flexible on that. I should definitely become more flexible on the timings. And pocket gardens are out. Looking forward to getting it into retail spaces. And another product, which not a product, is a simple seed packet, which we are looking forward to again put it out in retail outlets, because we're getting a lot of calls from people who need seeds of different plants and who are willing to travel down 20 kilometers just to pick it up. So we're seeing that demand is there, and now since the weather has changed, the monsoon is early and it's a lot, it'll be a very good time for you or for anyone to start gardening anything and to grow any plant in general. This would be a good time. So we'll have to act fast on that as well. And today is day 31. Fuck, I missed it. I have to finish this entire fucking bottle in 2 hours. So yeah, I've got to chug this shit probably multiple times over in the next 30 to 40 minutes so that I don't sleep with a bloated stomach. Good day overall. Okay, let's talk about assumptions. Assumptions, because assumptions can lead to literally screwing up your entire situation to an irreversible outcome. So when I say something like irreversible outcome, that's like you cannot take back your words or even worse actions which you have taken or chosen to do during that particular moment because you were angry. That's fine, but then assumptions can fuck up a lot of things. Personally, I also, it's not that I don't assume shit, but I keep assuming, but I remind myself that my assumption is not the reality. So I'm grounded, so I wouldn't say I get to know, I would just say I pay attention to see if my assumption is fucking real or not. Because a lot of times, probably most of the times, my assumptions go wrong. It can be about anything. It can be about people, or it can be about things, or movies also. Any fucking thing. We just assume a lot of things and miss out on a lot of things. So, assumptions. So this is the technique I use. Every time, let's just say I get a thought and then I start assuming things. The next thing I ask is, can there be another way that the other person is viewing this from? So once I ask myself that question, however I'm feeling, right, that is going to reduce. So I'm going to give it a break and I'm really going to see that can there be another alternative about this. And if there is an alternative, that gives me even more clarity that yeah, you're assuming for no fucking reason. So this way you're reinforcing a statement into your mind that you do not want to lead your life with assumptions. You reinforce with habits. You reinforce with acting in a certain way. That is whenever you, again, how do you reinforce and how do you do these things is, you first pay attention to what the fuck do you do, and once you pay attention to it, you analyze it to see how exactly or why exactly is it happening. So let us just say you're getting mad or angry. Usually the anger is tipped off after a point. It's not always like the moment somebody says something you're angry. No, there's something which triggers you and then you hit it off. So all you'll have to see is when exactly are you reaching your tipping point where you're getting angry. Once you become aware of that, every time you get angry, you have a certain awareness over that feeling. Okay, fuck, why did I go into feelings? Assumptions was the thing which I was speaking about. I don't know. Whatever helps, use it. This is how you can reinforce, or this is how you can change how you want to feel. Just be aware of the moment you're getting angry. You're not going to make this happen within a day or two. It'll take time, but after a constant effort of being aware of when is it exactly that your anger is going to the next level, the moment you see that, you're already aware of your anger. So the next time when you're getting angry, you will start getting aware before even you reach that point. And sooner or later you'll reach to an extent where you'll start knowing or feeling that yeah, in the next minute or so I'm going to get angry. So once you reach to that awareness, you'll have an option. But again, it's difficult to be aware in every situation. I myself cannot control shit. So the moment I'm aware of the feeling, I just reverse it to take control of my body and my mind first, and then automatically once I have my body and mind in control, the situations around me can be controlled or reduced depending on how bad it is. So yeah, from assumptions, I don't know when did I switch to this emotion topic, but I don't know if I completed assumptions, but this is how you deal with your emotions. I just spoke about anger, but you can observe any emotion. Sadness also can be dealt with it like this. Anxiety, especially anxiety, can be dealt with like this. Anxiety is very similar to the feeling of excitement. If you just observe it pretty close, you'll understand how can you shift or trick your mind into thinking that it's excited when you're actually having an anxiety attack or a panic attack. So you can trick your mind into situations like this. If you don't believe me, I can't help you, but if you think it's something which can work, try it out or YouTube it. YouTube thinks this is literally what I YouTube about emotions, feelings. How do I get more aware? How do I about consciousness is awareness. We are a conscious being. That means we are more aware. The difference between us and creatures is just that we are aware of what the fuck we do and they're not, and that is why they cannot blame anyone for their lives. Anyways, I'm about to reach home, so bye bye.